Okay, and the last two for the thorax are the serratus ventralis. Right here, all these little ones serrated is like a saw, See how they're serrated? That's why it's called, and it's ventralis because it's on the ventral cavity of the ribs. But on the actual ribs, the muscles between them are called the external intercostals. That's like when you eat ribs of an animal. I think those are the ones you're eating, right? Yeah, because they surround the ribs, so they're between the ribs, intercostal. And then you have the forelimb. So you have your do you want to turn it over? Yeah, it's easier like that. The biceps brachii is Miss Patricia. Oh, it's probably easier to. Oh, there it is in there. Pull this back, Miss Patricia. You see that in there? This muscle? That's the biceps brachii. Should I have like a pro? Yeah, that's the biceps brachii. Like a bicep. And then you have your triceps brachii, which are in the back of your arm. Triceps, because there's 3 heads. This one right here is the lateral head, because it's most lateral on the outside. And then the longest one right here is called the long head of the triceps brachii. And then the one on the inside is called the medial head of the triceps brachii. And I think you can only see it from the lateral, so you can't see it from the inside, right? From the medial. Yeah, so here, test this like over here. It's a pretty cool muscle. And then the last one is the longest one. But it's the leg. So you have the sartorius, which is the outer thigh muscle. The gracilis, which is the inner. All of this. So sartorius, gracilis. Sartorius cut. See that? And then gracilis cut. Alright? Next we have the tensor fasciae lata. This one's a little harder to see, but it's this one right here. And the reason why it's tensor, this is tensor fasciae lata. I don't remember what it means. I wrote it down. But it has this piece of. Oh, right. Tensor, because it pulls the leg, right? It tenses it.
But it's a sheet.
And the fascia lata, I think, is a sheet.
Yes.
It has that connective sheet to it. So it's not latte, it's fascia lata. I used to say fascia latte. And then the gluteus maximus. Damn, these things jump around, right?
Yeah.
The gluteus maximus is this outside sheet, so the white, and and then the medius is the inside. And the medius is inside. So like in humans, it's a lot bigger. You can, like on the model, you can pull out the chunk. Oh, look right there. You can pull out. That's the maximus, and if you were to pull out that chunk, there's a little. I don't know. Can you pull it off or no? Oh yeah. Okay, so one of those is the medius. It's probably this one, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Big booty human. And then adductor femoris is on the inside. So the adductor femoris is this one because it's a triangular muscle that adducts, which means brings in.
Connects to the femur.
And it connects to the femur, so it brings the leg in. That's what brings the leg in for the cat. Adductor femoris. Next, you have the semimembranosus. It's called semi because there's 2 of them that make up the membran. I don't know. I think it's called membranosus muscle. But one's more membranous, which is this chunkier one, and then one's more tendinous. See this semitendinosus. So semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and then you have the biceps femoris, which is a huge one on the leg. These big old muscles. This one's hard to miss. This is big old muscle. Not this, because this is something else we don't need to know, but just this big muscle where the red pin's on. Oh, and then, let's go in order. The next one is rectus. Rectus femoris is this one that we cut. It looks really, this cut is a nice cut. Rectus means upright, and then femoris, because it's a straight, upright muscle, and femoris, because it's on the femur. And then there's 3 parts, I guess, associated with the rectus femoris. You have
it's a quadricep.
Oh, okay.
So there's 4.
Okay, yeah, because it's 4.
This is a quadricep. There's 4. One.
The first one is the vastus medialis, which is this middle one, and then you have the vastus lateralis, which is the outer one, and then if you look on the inside, pull this one, the medialis and the lateralis apart. This darker colored one, because it's usually a darker color, is the vastus medialis. Oh yeah. Vastus intermedius. That's why it's called the quadriceps. I didn't realize that. And then there's only 3 more left. So the calf. Did y'all have the calf cut? Oh yeah. And then the outermost one is the gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius because gastro, it means stomach, but it's called gastrocnemius because it's belly shaped. I guess it's kind of belly shaped. Gastrocnemius, and then on the inside of it, can you see the soleus or no?
Yeah, it's just all in there.
Yeah, there it
Right
is. There's a soleus on the
The little
inside.
wedge.
Yeah, so gastrocnemius, soleus, gastrocnemius, soleus. They kind of go hand in hand, but that's how I remember it. And then the tibialis anterior is the last one. Not anterior tibialis, but tibialis anterior. So